You think of space as a beautiful canvas of stars. You're wrong. Space is a terrifying, violent, and indifferent abyss. It is filled with monster black holes, death rays, and vast oceans of nothingness. Right now, you are sitting on a tiny speck of dust, completely unprotected from a universe that could wipe us out in a fraction of a second. Today, we are tearing away the beautiful pictures to look at the horrifying truth. This is the reality of the cosmos. Let's get into it. We rely on the illusion of safety. We think our planet is a fortress, but stepping off this world changes everything. When Apollo astronauts closed their eyes in deep space, they saw sudden, terrifying flashes of light. It wasn't a glitch in their helmets. It was cosmic rays, high-energy pieces of deep space shrapnel, blasting straight through the walls of the spacecraft, through their skulls, and into their actual retinas. Our atmosphere protects us from this daily. Out there, you are a target, and that is just the beginning. The deeper you look into the void, the worse it gets. Our brains literally cannot process the scale of the danger surrounding us. Everything we know is just drifting at a distance perfectly tuned to avoid being incinerated by the massive nuclear reactor we call the sun. Let's start with the things flying directly at our heads. In July 2012, a massive cloud of charged particles exploded from the sun. It was one of the most powerful coronal mass ejections ever recorded. It missed Earth, but only because our planet had moved past that exact spot in its orbit just 9 days earlier. If it had hit, it could have collapsed power grids across entire continents and destroyed the global internet. The recovery time would have taken years. We survived purely by geographical luck. In August 1972, a massive space rock skipped across our daytime atmosphere like a stone on a pond, coming within 58 kilometers of the surface before bouncing back into space. If its angle had been slightly steeper, it would have struck with the force of a nuclear weapon right over the United States and Canada. There was zero warning. Even if we eventually leave Earth, the universe is deeply hostile to life. But physical threats aren't the scariest part. The laws of physics themselves suggest our reality might be profoundly broken. There is a concept called false vacuum decay. It suggests that the vacuum of space might not be in its lowest energy state. If it drops to that lowest level anywhere in the cosmos, a bubble of annihilation would expand outward at the speed of light, destroying everything in its path. We would never see it coming. We are racing against time. The universe is actually expanding so fast that distant galaxies are disappearing past our cosmic horizon. Dark energy is pushing galaxies away faster than the speed of light. In the distant future, the sky will go completely dark. Future civilizations will look up, see nothing, and falsely believe they are completely alone in a static universe. The fact that you are sitting here watching a screen on a quiet blue planet is a mathematical miracle. Don't take it for granted. The universe is vast, and it is slowly closing its doors on us.